today I'd like to show you how I made a garland, a pampas grass garland for my fireplace. Last year I made a pampas grass Christmas tree, and this year I made a dried floral Christmas tree. The base was all this grass. This year it's a little bit darker because I cut it down earlier. Last year I cut it down at the beginning of December and a lot of the seeds were gone, so that's something to keep in mind. I'll be using floral foam blocks to build it a little bit higher here and then have a garland going down on each side. I will be using my favorite fairy lights. They're plug-in because they're a lot lighter and the grass can hold it, and they also tend to not get that hot. Obviously keep any flames away from this because it's highly flammable, and I hear it all the time on Pinterest, but I'm aware, which is obviously to the reason you shouldn't probably be doing this with an open fireplace. Mine is completely enclosed, so I'm not worried about it. At the end I'll be spraying it with hairspray so it doesn't fly everywhere. And yeah, that's about it. I just want to show you how I made it, and I hope you like it. I have 2 big bags of these grasses that I cut down ahead of time, and you see, this is what I was talking about. It's pretty messy, and I will be starting off with the foam blocks and then making the garland in between. As I'm going, I will speed up the video to make it shorter for you. I will have descriptions of it also below and in my blog post, and I hope it's clear how I made it. One more thing, you can also use command hooks. These are also on here from a garland that I had, so I'm not going to remove them. Oops, what was that? So as a tip, if you're trying to cut the foam blocks, I use a bread knife where you can cut it pretty easy. I like cutting the stems on an angle with a plant pruner, so when it's at an angle it's pretty pointy and easier to push into the foam block. I'm trying to go full this way and then move towards this direction and then around and go towards this direction, if that makes sense. Putting some river rocks on the foam blocks to weigh it down so it doesn't flop forward. some of them together to have them hanging down on each side. Like it. This is the garland. You can add some more grasses or some ornaments in between. Of course, they should be rather light. And I like it as is. I'm going to take some photos this way, and I'm going to add some things just to show you the difference.